Dear student, today I will explain the poem Stanza Wise, and the name of the poem is The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So, see here, Blinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten and little grey mouse, and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon, and a Relio Trulio little pet dragon. Now, first of all, here, kitten means the young one of a cat, and grey is color, and wagon means cart, realio means really, and trulio means truly. In this stanza, poets want to say that Blinda lived in a little white house. She lived there with her pets. Her pets included a little black kitten. There was a little grey mouse. She had a little yellow dog and a little red wagon too. And to speak the truth, she had a little pet dragon. Now, in the next stanza, now the name of the little black kitten was Ink, and the little grey mouse she called him Blink, and the little yellow dog was sharp as mustard. But the dragon was a coward, and she called him Custard. Now, here sharp means very active, of sharp mind. Dragon means a large aggressive animal with wings and a long tail that can breathe out fire. And coward means a person who lacks courage. Now, in this stanza, poet want to say that the name of the little black kitten was Ink. The little grey mouse was called by the name Blink, and the little sharp dog was known as Mustard, but the dragon was coward. She called the dragon Custard. Now, next stanza. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and really truly daggers on his toes. Now here spike means sharp nails, scale means layers, underneath means below, fireplace means hearth, and dagger means a sharp small sword. Now in this stanza, poet says that the dragon Custard had big sharp teeth. On the top of him were soft spikes, and there were scales underneath him. The dragon's mouth looked like a fireplace or hearth. His nose looked like a chimney, and really, he had dagger like sharp spikes on his nose. So here, poet describe about the dragon in this stanza. Now, next is Blinda was as brave as a barrel full of beers, and Ink and Blink chased Lion down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a race, but Custard cried for a nice safe case. Now, here barrel means a big box. Stair means a set of steps leading from one floor to another. Chase means to follow someone. Cage means a place where birds and animals are kept in the zoo. Now, in this stanza, poet described that Blinda was braver than many bears, but together, put together, into and blink, ink and blink, were so brave that they could chase even lions down the stairs. Mustard, the dog, was as brave as a tiger in anger and rage, but Custard always cried like a coward to be put up in a nice safe case. So in this stanza, poet described the bravery of each and every animals. Now next is Belinda tickled him, she tickled him unmerciful. Ink, Blink, and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the Relio Trulio cowardly dragon. So now here tickled means move finger on the sensitive part to make laugh. Unmerciful means without kindness. Rudely means in a rude manner. Percival means a hero. Cowardly means one who is easily frightened. Now here poet want to say that Blinda tickled the dragon and she used to tickle him mercilessly. Ink, Blink and Mustard mocked him by calling Percival the brave. All of them sat together in the little red wagon and laughed at Custard. They used to laugh at the coward dragon. Now, Blinda giggled till she shook the house, and Blink said, "Wick," which is giggling for a mouse. Ink and Mustard rudely asked him his age when Custard cried for a nice safe kiss. Now here giggled means laughed rudely. Sedgwick means giggled like a mouse, and rudely means in an insulting manner. Now in this stanza, poets say that Belinda giggled loudly till the whole house shook to its foundation. Blink giggled too like a mouse. Ink and Mustard were very rude to the dragon. Custard, they insulted him by asking repeatedly about his age. Custard cried like a coward, begging for a nice, safe case for him.